how do you actually make money from stocks? Most people spend 40 years working for money, but never spend a few minutes learning how to make money work for them. Today, that changes. A stock is simply a share of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that business. You're called a shareholder. And as a shareholder, your stake in the company goes up and down based on how well that business performs. So, how do you actually make money from stocks? There are two ways. The first way is called price appreciation. Let's say you buy 50 shares of a stock at $25 each. 1 month later, the stock is now worth $27 per share. Your investment just grew by $100 without you doing a single extra hour of work. That is your money working for you. Now it can go the other way as well. If the stock drops to $23, you would have lost $100 if you sold. This is the risk that comes with stocks. The second way to make money is through dividends. Some companies send a portion of their earnings directly to shareholders, usually every 3 months. The more shares you own, the bigger your payment. Not every company pays dividends, and they are never guaranteed. But for long-term investors, they can become a powerful source of passive income. Now, here is something that might surprise you. You are probably already in the stock market and do not even realize it. If you have a 401k or retirement plan through your job, your money is already invested in stocks. So, how does a stock price get set? It comes down to simple supply and demand. If more people want to buy than sell, the price goes up. If more people want to sell than buy, the price goes down. Here is why staying invested matters. $1 put into the stock market in 1970 would have grown to $200 by 2023. That same dollar sitting in cash would only be worth $10. The S&P 500 has averaged a 10.1% annual return over 98 years. The market will have bad years, but investors who stayed patient always came out ahead. The biggest risk in investing is not losing money. It is never starting at all. Every year you wait is a year of growth you can never get back. Start small. Start now. And I will see you in the next one.